Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. Today we are going to start exercise 3 of chapter number 7. In that, the question number 1, you have to do it in the textbook only and you have to find out the answer by yourself. Just 1 or 2 I will do it. It is given math the following. The numbers are being given in decimal. उसका फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म इसमें से कौन सा होगा दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो करना क्या है, इसको कुछ भी मत करो, जस्ट डिवाइड दिस साइड एंड यू फाइंड आउट द आंसर. सो डिवाइड रफली करो. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू लाइक फर्स्ट वन इज 1/5. सो 1/5 वी कैन नॉट डिवाइड 1, सो दैट्स वाई 0. विल पुट द पॉइंट 10. सो 2 5s is 10. सो द आंसर इज 0.2. अब 0.2 यहाँ पे है, देखो उसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट वन विल बी द आंसर. ओके, सेम वे 7/10 आप करोगे तो इसमें तो कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक 0 है, मतलब लास्ट से काउंट करके एक पॉइंट लगा दो ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. सो इट विल बिकम 0.7. नाउ 481/50 है, तो लास्ट एक्सरसाइज में हमने सीखा था उसको 5 × 10 करके 5 से डिवाइड करो एंड देन यू विल गेट द आंसर फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. सो ये साइड को डिवाइड करते जाओ, आंसर्स अपने आप यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे जो भी है वो. ओके, so that I am leaving on you. First one, math the following, you have to do it by yourself. We will begin question number 2 in the notebook. So now question number 2, it is being given that convert it into fraction. Decimal दिया है, उसको fraction में convert करना है. So कैसे convert करेंगे? 0.6. Now एक चीज़ याद रखना है कि पॉइंट के बाद जितना डिजिट है उतने ज़ीरोस नीचे लिखेंगे. तो हियर हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर? ओनली 1 डिजिट. सो इट विल बी 6/10. क्यों 10? क्योंकि पॉइंट के बाद एक ही डिजिट है. तो नाउ वी कैन कैंसिल. दोनों 2 के टेबल में आता है. सो इट इज़ 2 3s and 2 5s. सो द आंसर कम्स दैट इज 3/5. देन सेकेंड वन इज 0.85. Now after point 2 digits are being there, means 2 zeros will be there, means 100. Now both are divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 3 and 5 means 17 5s are 85 and 25s are is 100. So the answer comes 17/25. Third one, it is 3.5. It means 35. पूरा लिखना है. यहाँ पे सब में देखो जीरोस था, 0 were there in the beginning, that's why we had written only 6/10 and 81/100. but here it is 3.5, so it will become 35. पॉइंट निकाल देना है, लेकिन पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट है? एक डिजिट है. so we'll put there 10. now both are divisible by 5. so 5 7s are and 5 2s are. देखो मैं दोनों को सेम नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ. हियर आई डिवाइडेड बोथ द नंबर्स बाय 2. सो 2 3s are 2 5s are. यहाँ पे दोनों नंबर को मैंने 5 से डिवाइड किया, तो 5 17s are and 5 20s are. ओके सॉरी, here it will be 20. so 20s are. then here I divide both the numbers by 5. so 5 7s are and 5 2s are. so the answer will come 7/2. Same way fourth one, sorry third one I had missed out. 1.75. so 1.75 will become 175. after point 2 digits, so how many zeros? 2 zeros will be there. now both are divisible by 5. so 5 3s are is 15, 2 and 5s, 5 5s are, 5 2s are. again both are divisible by 5. so 5 7s are and 5 4s are. so the answer comes that is 4. मुझे 25 का टेबल आता था, I can directly do 25 7s are and 25 4s are is 100. but just आपको नहीं आता होगा, so it's not necessary. अगर बड़ा नंबर से का टेबल नहीं आता है तो छोटे नंबर से भी जा सकते हो. डिविजिबिलिटी हमने जो सीखी है वो यहाँ पे यूज़ करनी है. then fifth one is 25.25. so it will become 25/100 because after point 2 digits are being there. अब दोनों 25 से डिवाइड होगा. here it will be 25. 4s are, here it will be 25. 1s are is 25 and it will become 101. कैसे होगा? That I am just showing you. That 25 when you will divide by 25, so 25 ones are is 25, it is 0. Now according to the rule 2 will come down. Now we cannot divide this 2 by 25, that's why 0. Now the 5 will come down and 25 ones are is 25, that's why the answer comes 101 upon 4. Same way if we go to sixth sum, it's 1.76. so 1.76 again after 0.2 digits means upon 100. Now both are divisible by 2 also, both are divisible by 8 also. This cannot be divided by 8, लेकिन 4 से होगा दोनों. देखो 4 4s are is 16, 1 is remainder, 1 and 6 16, again 4 4s are is 16. Here it will come to 25 4s are is 100. Now we cannot cancel anything, so our final answer is 44 upon 25. ऐसे किया, दोनों को 4 से डिवाइड किया, 4 4s are 16, 17 में से 16 जाएगा तो 1, 1 and 6 16, again 4 4s are is 16. So now 44 and 25 4s are is 100, so 44 upon 25 is the answer. Now question number 7, you have to do it by yourself. 8th one, that also will be divided by 5. Rest all sums you can do it by yourself, they all will be divisible by 5 only. Okay, if you want 9th one I am doing. 9th one is what? 0.525, so it will become 525 upon how many digits are there? 3 digits, so 1000 will be there. Now both are divisible by 5. Again I will show you how to divide 525 by 5. So 525, 5 ones are is 5, 0. Now 2 will come down, we cannot divide 2 by 5, that's why 0. 5 will come down, so again 105 will be the answer. Okay, so we will divide it by 5, it is 105, and here it will be 200. Again we can divide it by 5, so 5 2s are is 10 and 5 1s are is 5, 5 4s are is 20, and 0 will be added at last, so our final answer will come as 21 upon 40. Then the last sum also, okay, I am doing it. It's 7.25, means 725 upon 100, because after 0.2 digits are there, both are divisible by 5, so 5 ones are is 5, 2 and 2 22, 5 4s are is 20, 2 and 5 25, so 5 5s are is 25. Now here 5 2s are 10 and 0 as it is, again both are divisible by 5, so 5 2s are is 10, 4 and 5 45, 5 9s are is 45, and 5 4s are, so our answer comes 29 upon 4. So this is how we have to divide. So only 2 sums I had left for you, that is question number 7 and 8th one. 9th and 10th I had already done. So in this video student, this much only. In the next video we'll learn about addition of subtraction. Till then, thank you and take care.